Hello guys, good evening. I just got home from my day off, and it seems like the three cats want me to notice them that they are hungry. So what they did, they play around, especially Milky, running there, running here, while Mimi is sitting there and didn't say anything, just meow and just stay there while Chocolate is there on the sofa and seems like he looked at Milky Boy while playing until they are doing like that. So what I did is I clean up their oh the cleaning up the living room, tidy up something because they have so much pour everywhere. Pour. So clean up their Rossi. This one. Oh, it's doing like that. So cleaning everything and then giving them food. But Ming like milk. So this oh, they let me know that they're hungry and they miss me. That's what they did all the time when I'm gone out home. And then when I come back, they do like that. So it's like, oh, auntie, you hug me, you give me food. Anyway, I love them. Good night. It's already 12 o'clock in the evening. Bye, guys, and have a great night.